Here's how to get paid using Paywint Checkout with API. Go to paywint.com. Log in with your phone or email. Provide name and verification code. Once logged in, find Developer Panel on the sidebar. You can see the API keys here. You can also set the webhook and callback URL. Click on View API Documentation. See the endpoint, Create Payment Link. Provide your API keys on the header and amount in the body. You can also add an invoice number and description. Click on Send and see the checkout URL in the response. Open this URL in an iframe or a new tab for your customer. They can choose card, wallet, or bank account to make the payment. Selecting card as an example here, customer will be asked to enter the phone number and the verification code for security purpose, and then allowed to choose an existing card or add a new one to make the payment. Once done, you can get the details of this payment using List Received Payments endpoint, or view this payment in the dashboard.